What's up, everybody? Model Airport Nation, and today I have another awesome unboxing for you guys. Today I have the brand new Las Vegas. Hello, everybody, Model Airport Nation, and today I finally have a new unboxing for you guys of a terminal. This is going to be the D gates at Las Vegas for Model Airport Network, otherwise known as Custom Airport Buildings. Let's get right into this. I'm actually very excited to get these unboxed. I created these for I think another customer a long time ago, but he had the design, so basically refined it and printed it out. So let's get this thing open. Holy cow. Would you look at that? That's incredible. Amazing work here, guys. This is just the beginning. Let's get this whole... I'm going to get the whole thing out, guys, and lay it out for you. All right, guys, behold Las Vegas International Airport here. Absolutely stunning work here by Model Airport Network. Look at the details on this, guys. I can hear the slot machines going right now inside here. Some nice cozy chairs I remember here. You can watch the nice view here. And all the airplanes pushed back. Amazing work here on this terminal here, guys. You guys can check them out, the link in bio here at Model Airport Network or Custom Airport Buildings. Always high quality work. Super cool jet bridges here too. You can adjust these too if you're looking to adjust up and down. And you can also obviously add any of your own custom jet bridges that you do wish to add. They do work with the Gemini Jets bridges, Clipper models, any other ones too. Or you can use the ones that come with it too. So really cool. Here's a view on the end here. I believe this is where like the American Airlines planes park. This is actually a pretty big terminal because I fly Delta a lot, so this is the terminal I do come into. And it's a pretty big terminal, so lots of details here. Model Airport Network, Custom Airport Buildings also does layouts too, so go check them out, guys. Super cool layouts, affordable pricing. Link below here. I'll probably honestly get both layouts. I know Layover Layouts does one, and also probably one from Custom here. It's always nice. I like having a variety of different terminals and layouts just so I can switch them out. But, you know, that's just me. I like my variety. Super cool, guys. Nice view from the top. And as you already know, I will be getting a Las Vegas backdrop for this too. So stay tuned, guys. It's a secret. You guys will see the backdrop when it comes. So absolutely cool. Will I be doing any other part of Las Vegas Airport? Probably in the near future, maybe. I do have the Janet Jets, the Area 51 planes, the 737s with the red stripe on them. I do have about 5 or 6 of those, so I will be doing a little area of those too. So stay tuned, guys. A lot of potential coming in the near future here. And also the international gates on this side too, so that'll look awesome too. But the layout for this, guys, is massive. I didn't realize how big this terminal was, so. And until next time, guys, happy collecting. Go check Model Airport Network, Custom Airport Buildings out in the link in bio, guys. I'll have a video, guys, for you very soon. Once I get my room together here, I've got to get some RC planes up on the walls here. I'm actually going to use some hooks and hang them up, so stay tuned for that. But yeah, it's just, we're going through a change right now in the room here, guys. You can see boxes of planes here. I'm not moving. I'm just moving stuff around because I'm going to go fly more RC airplanes at the parks. Or at the, not the parks, but the RC Air Park that I belong to in a safe environment. So that's going to be really cool. And yeah, more model airplanes coming. And of course, Flight Simulator, guys. So stay tuned for that too. In the works here. We'll see you guys in the next video. I wish you happy collecting. And here's what it looks like with an airplane parked at it. Sneak peek until I do get the whole thing set up, guys. Delta A321neo here. Super cool.